BVI Sailing 2026 with a great Nevada crew. We went all around the islands: Tortola, Norman, Cooper, Virgin Gorda, Yost Van Dyke, and Scrub. Our first stop, Norman Island with Willie T's, where we all became pirates and jumped off the boat. That's okay.
Yeah. Well, it's not a big sail. I think let's enjoy it.
How you doing, Captain?
Aye, aye.
Aye, aye. Where are we going today, Captain?
We're off to Norman Island.
All right.
And to the caves.
Woo!
And Willie T's.
Let's find some pirates.
Well, I'm not a lot of time. I'm willing. No.
At Pirate's Bite, one of our crew received a message in the bottle. It must have been awfully romantic because there was a lot of hugging afterwards for the anniversary couple. Next up, Cooper Island, where we enjoyed the resort there to its fullest, and the rum bar. We also did a little bit of snorkeling and then a little bit of drone flying, and I almost lost my drone over the drink. Luckily, we went and got it back. We are here in Cooper Island. We just went and snorkeled around this thing, this giant thing. There's Kevin. Hey, Kevin. There's JT. Hey, JT. Woo! Fun. Everybody has
nice.
mask face. It was
This
fun.
time I got stuck.
It was a little tricky going around that part
Well,
right
we got
there.
stuck.
Yeah.
All right, ready? One,
Yeah,
two,
launch.
three.
And that's how you do it. This was my first long-range Air 3S drone flight, and I promptly lost the drone. Luckily, Kevin and I were able to retrieve it in the dinghy.
Salud.
Next, we were on to the Bitter End Yacht Club at Virgin Gorda and Saba Rock, which is a great dinner spot. This is what we do when we're underway. Okay. Hello, guys. Hello. On our way to Virgin Gorda. Mark out there, stone cold chilling.
Yes. Go up and get it. Okay.
No, he's got
Painkillers.
He has 4, so he's got the sparkling water with as well.
Very important thing. At the boat bar. Everybody's got painkillers.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's a thing.
Just chilling.
Painkillers.
I need to
That was vodka.
That's definitely the photo booth. Kevin's holding it open. Kevin should hold it open for all of us.
Step into the TARDIS.
That's good.
Africa straight ahead.
Oh.
She's not going to want to do it now with everybody here. I know. She's not going to be happy with that one.
Uh-huh.
Oh, we got one.
Our next stop was only a short distance away from the Bitter End, where we went to Leverick Bay. Then we took a wild taxi ride over the mountains to the iconic baths.
that alligator way over there. It looks like a reef. Yeah, very. You got a very beautiful day where you can see it. Alligator is very flat. It's actually bigger than the garlic.
Mooring balls you can only be on for 90 minutes.
Yeah, only 90. Yeah, that's cool.
It's so cool.
Go through the caves and Vernon and Gorda in the back. Yikes. Off. Here we are. So pretty. Woohoo!
Nature's cathedral.
Just sitting down here. Look at this. It's way up there. Here we go. Woo. I'm coming. Isn't that cool? Next, we became pirates and we crashed a pirate party. Arr.
We have a
Headed
custom budget.
to the pirates ship. Just there. We have our captain. We have our first mate, our naughty wench. This guy, the R.
Who's gonna video this?
Yeah, we're totally
Well,
gonna
it is
do
right
that.
now.
Right now.
I don't think we're done
Arr.
Because we look like the assholes.
It's okay. Oh, they're up there.
Yeah, you win me tonight. Oh, look at this one. Hey, our boy there, Popeye. Did you find something, honey? Wow. Yeah. Aha. How many of you folks have been to Foxy's?
Woo!
How many of you are going?
Woo!
Everybody. I am going to be dubbing a Princess Conk. Princess Conk, Queen Conk, King Conk, Prince Conk. At the count of 3, a hearty blow for y'all. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Let's give you some props.
Now our crew took a long sail to Joost van Dyke to visit the Soggy Dollar Bar and Foxy's. On the way, we circumnavigated Necker Island and waved to Richard Branson. And when we landed, there was much rejoicing. And dancing. And more dancing. Our next stop was Cane Garden Bay, where we visited the oldest rum distillery in the British Virgin Islands. Later, we took a cab ride to Trellis Bay for the full moon party.
Each and every one of you and to look at your wrist tonight, alright? Look at your hands.
Our last leg home to the Moorings Marina included a stopover in Scrub Island, where we enjoyed the crystal clear infinity pool and some frosty drinks. There. Everybody look at the... Yes. All right. Gallant crew. Are we ready for
Peaks and Pits?
Yes.
Okay. Peaks and pits
I'll start.
are the most important thing at the end of every trip, where we talk about the one, you get one peak and 1 pit. Okay, all right, Amy, go. It is Amy's turn.
Okay.
The delightful Amy.
My peak was definitely coming in second place in the conch contest. And my husband's embarrassed. My pit was, there was really no pits at all. But if I had to choose a pit, it was having to put toilet paper in a plastic bag.
The pit is usually something about the toilet.
Yes, about the toilet.
All right, GT.
Oh, jeez. This is going to be tough.
I know, it's hard.
I'd say, personally, the pit's going to have to be my cankles that I've experienced all week long. Which it is what it is, right? No complaints.
Where are
And
There they are. They're under
the
there
peak,
somewhere.
what you guys luckily missed was tanning my ass out in the front on the way
Oh,
here.
you guys missed that! He took his pants down.
He asked me to take a picture. I did not.
Ass tans aren't for everyone.
Ashton. Okay, Sean.
My
What is-
peak, Willie T's. That was amazing. Jumping off, going crazy.
Yes.
Fantastic.
It was so good.
My pit was Leopard's taking a shower. I had to hold the thing to get the water. So I had to pull acrobatic moves in order to keep showering. But I figured it out.
Hey, that's good news. Right
Shower Tai Chi.
Shower
But
section.
that wasn't so bad because it limericked you up for
there. Some
later.
yogi.
So my pit is the bug bites.
The what?
The bug bites.
Oh, the bug
Bug
bites.
bites. But
That was
that's
nice.
What about the cooter fish? They were not mentioned.
yes,
I forgot about the cooter fish, yeah.
The cooter fish were kind of a
peak?
bit.
Yeah.
Were they a peak or were they
That
a
was
pit?
before. It was a barracuda.
So the bug bites. And my peak has to be my message in a box.
Oh!
That was good. That was amazing.
That was a great one.
Anniversary. So wonderful.
That was a great one.
Okay, Shannon.
Okay, my
You're
peak
next.
was the baths. That was amazing.
Oh, yeah.
So unique. And my pit was probably getting my stuff stolen off the ferry.
All her beautiful clothes. Aw. But at least it allows you to buy more new
That's
things.
true. See, silver lining.
First night Gordo, we were out the last 2 nights.
All right, Mark, you are up next.
Gorda, the last 2 nights ago for dinner was absolutely the peak. That was a beautiful place.
The Sabo
Great
one?
restaurant. Yeah, Sabo Saba.
Saba.
Sabo
Saba
Rock.
Saba.
Yeah.
Saba Saba.
That was
So
great.
beautiful place, great place to be, and I don't know. There's no pits, man. I'm good.
There's no pit.
I have to.
Yeah.
I have to say, I would go with her. Mosquitoes tonight, like
Yeah.
versus anything
All
else,
of
right?
us were
Getting bit
all
when we first
over.
got there, right?
Yeah.
And then that'd be about it. So
That's
all's
great.
good.
Aw, yay. Okay,
guys?
Kevin Key.
All right. Peak is cliche, but seeing a good crew come together and everyone getting along and wonderful friends with positive vibes.
Yay.
So that's my peak.
Totally.
And my pit is the fact that I hid from everybody that I was really holding in a very desperate poop for the later part of the trip going over the.
Always about
Yeah, over the mountain, coming back from the baths, and I was like, maybe I should deal with that. I didn't deal with it. I was successful in this operation, but it was very challenging. It was very challenging. There's some knuckle biting going on.
Always
but
about poop. I don't understand why.
there you go.
Okay.
Now
so
you do
that's
your poop thing.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
You ready, Jimmy?
Food while I was showering, by the way.
Okay, ready?
Part of that
Okay,
story.
this is on me.
I watched that.
Okay.
Fucking read.
All right, so my peak was sharing the BVI experience with all of these wonderful people and connecting with every single one of them, which I did not know you all very well until now. So that is my peak. And yes, all these wonderful people. And then my pit was almost losing a very expensive drone over a big giant rock in Cooper.
Yes.
But other than that, it was wonderful. So,
Yay!
Yay!
Yay, life! Are we done? Yay, team!
Thank you for watching from all of us sailing Just Chilling with the Moorings in May of 2026 in the beautiful British Virgin Islands. This is First Mate Noel of Go Commando over and out.